Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted a portable chair. Let's look at all the things. So you can carry it in this little string backpack that it comes with. I'm going to show you this in a minute. It is a really soft, comfy, cushiony seat topper that we are going to put on. You can also carry it with this little handle, or you can adjust it here and use it as a carrying strap. But for time purposes, I want to show you just how amazing this is. So on the bottom, you have the lock feature. So what we're going to do is we are going to open it. It's the tiniest click to open it. And then you have these two handles here. We are going to open, and you can see right here all of these different layers, and they pop into place. This thing is so sturdy, I can stand on it, and it is not going anywhere. This is adjustable, so if you are sitting in a chair, you can use this as a footstool. Again, you could use it as a step stool, or you can open it fully and have a seat. It comes with the cushion. You are going to put the big hole in the big part and then the two little ones in the handle part, and it pops in. And then you have the two straps to keep it on even more securely. That is amazing. This is great for camping. If you're working outside in your garden, if you're going to different sporting events, for camping, you have a Girl Scout or a Boy Scout in your family, this is such a great gift. And then when you're finished, you just pull this up and it completely folds back down. We're going to lock it into place. Again, little tiny lock. Put it back into our bag. We are ready to go. I also want to comment how easy this is to use. I did this with gloves on. Love this little chair. It's so great. Links are below. Check it out.